Now next up, meet Bryce Harper, the dog, and see how he hit a home run in finding his forever home.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Ah, good boy. My name is Carol Adcock Stearns. I'm a native Alexandrian. I moved to Fairfax Corner from the Mount Vernon area of Fairfax. I came across Bryce Harper from the Fairfax County Animal Shelter. I adopted him as a puppy at 8 weeks. He was one of 9 in a litter. I had to wait in line 3 hours to get one of 5 puppies, and I got Bryce Harper. Well, before I adopted him, his foster moms were calling him Drogo from Game of Thrones. I am a very big baseball fan. I love the Nationals, I love the Redskins, I love all sports. But I think Bryce Harper brought a lot of excitement to the Nationals, and I'm expecting a lot of excitement from my Harper. He had a little attitude when he was younger, and which I think everybody knows, you know, young players have that. But he's calmed down, and the Bryce Harper on the Nationals does a lot of good in the community, and I'd like to do the same with this Harper. A dog brings great companionship. He's a great conversation starter, and I've met a lot of people by walking Harper. It takes a lot of work, a lot of time, and I think we've been successful. We've got a very good relationship. I would love for us to get to the point to where we could be a therapy dog and go into schools and nursing homes and hospitals. I would really like to go to Fort Belvoir to the young soldiers who, you know, may be missing their dogs at home, because I think he's perfect for somebody who's missing their dog.